So adapting the environment in our center is key because we want to make sure we get through to as many students as possible. So some of the things we have there is we've created a sanctuary, which is a quiet space where students can go to. And also we've been able to run yoga classes and meditation classes in that room. We've also created spaces for the students to be safe when they're, feel safe, or if they're having a hard time or they're trying to socialize with others in the building. So we have foosball tables and we have ping pong tables in our cafeteria, so they're able to interact with other students. The other thing is that our specific center, Place Cartier, is running out of two different campuses. So it's important for us to try and bring the whole community together. And some examples of that is that we've had a multicultural food court, we've had a corn roast, which we've incorporated with a Terry Fox run/walk. And we have an incredible graduation ceremony that incorporates everyone from our school in both centers. And it's one of the best graduations I've ever witnessed in all my years of education.